This Chrome extension allows you to import reviews from Amazon, Shopee, and other platforms into your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, make sure you enter your extension app key into your WiseReviews Chrome extension. Let's try this product. Just navigate to the product page and open the WiseReviews Chrome extension. Enter the product handle. This will attach the imported reviews to the selected product. Afterward, click the Import Reviews button and wait for it to finish. It will take a few seconds to import the reviews. You're done. You can now check your product page to see the reviews.